Sleeping Beauty. The people from a small town in France are outside the king's summer castle. The king goes out onto the balcony. We are very happy to tell you that we have a baby daughter. Her name is Sweetie. Everyone is invited to a party here at the castle tomorrow, he says. The king goes back into the castle. The queen is singing to the baby. The party tomorrow is going to be wonderful, says the king. All the people from the town are coming and, of course, we must invite the flower fairies. Everyone in the castle is very busy. The cooks are cooking delicious roast meats with vegetables, and they are making delicious cakes too. The cleaners are sweeping and dusting. The queen's friends are picking flowers in the garden and putting flowers in all the rooms. The food smells delicious, says the king, and the castle is very pretty with all these flowers. Little Princess Sweetie is sleeping happily. She doesn't know there is going to be a party tomorrow. The next day, the sun shines, and all the men, women and children from the town come to the party. The children like the new baby and want to pick her up. You can pick her up later, when she wakes up, says the queen. Yes, says the king. Come and sit down now. The food is ready, and we're all hungry. Look, look, over there by the trees, says a little boy. Everyone turns and looks at the trees. Oh, says a little girl. Are they? Yes, they are, says the queen. They're the flower fairies. Hello, say the flower fairies. We've got some very special presents for Princess Sweetie, princess of my dreams, he says. Everyone in the castle wakes up. The queen's friends start picking the flowers again. The cook starts making the cake. The birds start singing. The cat starts chasing the mouse. And the flower fairies fly into the castle. Prince Carlos of Spain is here. They say, Princess Sweetie takes Prince Carlos to the king and queen. Mummy and Daddy, says Princess Sweetie, this is Prince Carlos. He's going to stay and come to my birthday party. That's wonderful, says the queen. Yes, says the king. We're happy that you're here. And thank you very much for waking us up. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.